Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about adjusting the start menu and taskbar on your Windows computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by actually adjusting the start menu size. So all you have to do is just open up the start menu first, just left click on it one time, and then use your mouse cursor and go up to the top corners of the start menu screen. If you drag along the top, you notice there is an up and down arrow, and the side, if you go up to the corner edge, you'll notice it's a diagonal arrow. So you can go adjust it left and right by doing that. Make it smaller, make it larger, and if you do the top arrow, you can make it more condensed, or you could expand it. And same thing with the horizontal as well. So definitely a cool little feature there to know about, guys. And now for the taskbar, you would need to right click on the taskbar first and then uncheck the box that says lock the taskbar. And now you'd have the option with these little arrows to expand and make it taller or smaller. And again, it's pretty much all you can do, only go up and down. However, you can drag it to other ends of the screen if you want. So now that it's unlocked, you can actually drag it over to the left, the right, or up on the top. So it definitely gives you guys a few different options here to play with if you choose to do so. So definitely a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.